Hello and welcome to the second part of this Make a Composite Silhouette from Any Scene video tutorial. In this part we're going to clean up our silhouette, and the first thing we want to do is just to remove that bush on the left hand side. So we can do that very quickly just by using the crop tool. So just hit C to quickly select the crop tool, and all we want to do is just drag our crop tool across the screen until we've cut out those two bushes. And once we've made that selection, just hit the green tick and that'll just crop the image right in. So we've now got rid of our first bit of distraction from the image. Now the next part that we want to do is just to remove all of these little bits of greenery that were in the background and are a little bit distracting to the actual silhouette. So we're going to use a couple of tricks to do this, and the first thing we're going to do is just to switch off our silhouette layer and our background copy layer. Now if we drag and drop our background, and we're just going to make another background copy layer and zoom in to the picture, and what we want to do is just zoom in to the area where we can see our green foliage which is causing the distraction. Now if I hold down space and left click, I can move the image around, and so we can see that nice and large now on the screen. Now just so that we can really pick out sort of the natural flow of the branches and the trunk there, what we're going to do is just adjust the levels just to lighten up that area. So if we go Control or Apple L, and all we want to do is give the highlight areas or the lighter areas of the image a little bit more preference, and that should lighten up the green areas of the tree. So if we grab our midtone slider and just move it down to the left, and you can instantly see that we're just lightening up all of that green area, and we can see that trunk a little bit better and those branches. So once we've done that, just click OK, and that'll apply it to that area there. And now what we can do is we're just going to use the polygonal lasso tool, and you'll find that over on the left. So if you just left click on the lasso tool, and then you can drag down to the last option and select the polygonal lasso tool, and we're now ready to start. So what we're going to do is very quickly just go around our image and just cut out these green areas. Now take a little bit of time, the more accurately you do this the better it'll look in the end, and we just want to remove all of that green foliage area. Okay, so I've made my first selection, just this little area here, and now I want to add to that selection and pull in this little area and the area here and a little bit just down here. I also want to separate this part of the tree from the background as well. So if I go up to my options for the lasso tool and click add to selection, and now I can come back in and again use the lasso tool just to select those other areas. Okay, I'll leave you to get on with that as it does take a little while to do, and I'll join you in the next part where we'll make a few further adjustments to the silhouette before placing in the new background.